Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share this video, how to earn $500 a day while learning how to build your online business. So this opportunity here is for the person that's looking to start an online business. They want something that's already done for them that they can invest in, they can learn from, a way to position themselves to make $500 payments directly to their bank account. If there's something you're interested in having to learn and earn from, then you want to take advantage of this opportunity, because what's happening right now, we have so many people come online every day looking to generate online income. Some people know what they want to do, some people don't have a clue on what they want to do, and some people got an idea if they can invest in something that's already ready that they can start to promote in a short amount of time. That's what they would like to do. So this opportunity here, it's called the Roadmap. It comes with Master Resale Rights. It's a digital educational course that's going to give you all the knowledge and skills needed to start your online journey. And the good thing is, this is not a course that you're going to invest in and then ask yourself later, what do I do to make money? An earn income system, meaning, of course, you're going to learn from it. You're going to consume it. You're going to read it. You're going to learn from it. We got step-by-step videos that's going to help you build out your income system using automation. You got a free system that's going to come with this, that's going to help you set that income system up. And if you are a person who needs support and help when it comes to setting your system up, regardless of the step-by-step videos, I'm here to help you make it happen. I'm here to help you win. I'm here to make money. I'm here to make money. I started a business so I can make money, not friends. Not be popular, but to make money, so I can take care of me and my family and live the type of lifestyle I want to live. That's the reason why I'm here. I don't know what you're here for, but if you're here for some of the same things I'm here for, and you want to get started in a very inexpensive way by making a one-time investment in this digital marketing course that has all the elements needed to help you build out your online business and position you to earn from this at the same time, then you want to take advantage of this. Because see, what's happening is, you got people who come online who might want to take their knowledge and skills that they already have, but they don't know how to do that, so they invest in a course on how to start your online course, and now they got to still turn around and get help on how to create the online course. So that's the funny part about the people that want to come online and create their own course, is that they got to buy a course that's going to show them how to create the course, and then now you still need some mentorship and help on making sure you do that right. This here is not that type of situation. This here is educational digital training that you're going to consume and learn from and grow from. And even if you never decide to resell this to other people who need it, the information alone, and it's more valuable than the $500 one-time investment that we charging for it. And say, I didn't create this course, someone else did, but they gave us master resale rights to sell it like it's our own. You know what I'm saying? So master resale rights is not a new concept, it's old. It's really been shadowed by PLR rights, which is private label rights. Same concept. Somebody created a product or service, and now they allow you to resell it like it's yours. And we want to, and the thing is, you want to be able to promote something that's in high demand. Digital marketing and educational e-learning style training courses are in high demand, because we know that if you're looking to come online and start a business, you need this digital marketing educational course to help you make it happen. Unless you already got a background in this, you need this information that's going to help you make it happen. That's why this is a high demand course that we're reselling to people who need it. And so I put myself in front of people who are looking to start an online business, who don't already know how to do it, who need the digital educational training that come with this course that's going to show you how to do it step by step with videos. You're going to get some extra bonus training by having me on your team to help guide you, give you more clarity. Because there's going to be some aspects of this training that you might not truly understand on your own. And I'm here to help give you better clarity on what that's about, based on the different modules inside this training that you might have issues with down the road. Along with the training that you're going to get within itself, on top of having me coming along with the training that's going to help assist you to better understand what you're reading and learning and implementing. My mentoring coach gives me access to additional training site that you're going to have access to as well. That's going to allow you to get more information that's going to better clarify the bigger picture. Because, see, a lot of times the information we share is not talked about online because two reasons. One, people don't know it. And two, the people who do know it don't want you to know it. And so you're at a disadvantage already. But see, I'm here to help you win. I'm here to help you be successful because, see, my success is a reflection of your success. So if I can help 100 people a year start an online business and make a profit out of that business every year, then that's a reflection of how well I'm doing. But at the same time, it's really all about you showing up daily, doing what you need to do to help your business get the success you say you want to have anyway. I'm just a catalyst to help you make it happen. I'm just a trusted advisor who has your best interest at heart, who wants to see you win, who wants to see you be successful, who wants to see you make a gang of money and be proud of that, not be ashamed of that. See, we have a stigma in this country about people who are successful and who make a lot of money. We want to embrace the fact that making a lot of money doesn't make you evil, doesn't make you bad. We want to embrace the fact that we want to make a lot of money because we got dreams, goals, ambitions that we want to accomplish, we want to do. And the only way to really do that, it takes money to make it happen. So there's a lot of things I want to do when it comes to helping others that takes money to make happen. So I want to be able to make a whole lot of money every year so I can help people in different areas get certain things accomplished in their lives that's outside of the business realm. And so that's my heart's desire, to be helpful to people that's in need. And the only way to truly make that happen is to be able to make a whole lot of money inside my business where I can invest in other people who I care about, who I want to see make whole and make happy and make successful. So if you're looking for a one-time investment, which is $500, that's going to give you digital educational training needed to help you be successful. It's going to come along with mentorship. It's going to come along with guidance, support, training, and leadership and accountability. We're going to educate you with the mindset shift you need to have. We're going to talk about the truth, nothing but the truth and the facts that you need to come to understand that's going to help you be successful. Because, see, the biggest key to your success is going to be how you see and how you feel and how you observe what's going on around you based on how you think. Because you got some people who think a way that won't allow them to be successful at all because the way they think won't allow them to invest in themselves whatsoever. So if you're one of those people who don't see the value in investing in education that's going to help you get a result inside your online journey, then you'll never be successful. You'll never accomplish anything. Because, see, we can't get the success we want to have by accident. We can't get the success we want to have by inheritance. We can't get the success we want to have by dumb luck. We can't get the success that we want to have just by wishing it. We got to take action, 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 and more action. I got to show up inside my business every day to help position myself through my marketing message, to build my audience, to build awareness, to build know, like, and trust, to build my brand, and to let the people that I'm looking to work with come to understand who I am, what I'm about, what I had to offer, and why you want to do business with me. That's what I'm here to make happen daily. My work week is Monday through Friday because the weekends is for family. My wife, her work week is Monday through Friday, so the weekends is we spend with one another. She just happened to be out right now, so I'm able to do this quick video on YouTube and Facebook. But for the most part, I show up Monday through Friday inside my business, do my content. Videos is my number one marketing content message that I use to build awareness, build know, like, and trust, build my brand, build my audience, build my community, and to build my business. When I first came on the scene, my marketing message was all about helping new tax professionals get started. I still do that, but I had to convert my marketing message over to include this opportunity that I have for people who want to start their online business, but they want a done-for-you option. And so this here opportunity for you. If you don't want a done-for-you option that you can invest in, and you want to be able to create your own course, you know what I'm saying, and you want to be able to do your own thing, there's nothing wrong with that. To be honest with you and keep it real with you, you can invest in this digital marketing course here that'll help you build out your online course without you buying a specific course that's all about building your online course out. Because, see, I got my own products and services that I sell on my own as well. So I can help you with that if that's something you want to do. So thank you for watching this video. Share with someone you believe may need this video, who want to do online business, who wants to have a done-for-you option, who want to have their own income system that's working 24/7, 365. This is the opportunity for you. The beautiful thing about having an online business is affordable, it's flexible, and you can do it from anywhere in the world as long as you got a high-speed internet connection, and a reliable device. That's the beauty of it. And you can reach more people much faster, much quicker with an online business than you can ever do with a local. So I'm here to help you win. I'm here to help you succeed. I'm here to help you be all you can be. You just have to be willing to show up, invest in you, connect with me, and let's make it happen. See you in my next video.